The current claim that we're at, the daughter woke at night time to find there was water coming out of the light fittings in her ceiling on the ground floor. The homeowner went upstairs to find that there was a leak from the fridge. He took out the American fridge freezer to find that there was a sudden leak from the water supply pipe to the fridge. He lodged a claim with Tower. A drying company were appointed who headed to the property.
So our role in the restoration process is to get the home and contents dry. We have a number of tools that aid us in this, particularly our air movers and our dehumidifiers. So when we arrived at this job, we were able to see that the carpet was wet about halfway through the dining room, and there's also some moisture had gone into the walls and also into the floor. We found that there were bats between the floors, and hence we had to open up the ceiling to remove the wet insulation so that not only the insulation could be dried out, but also the jib and the floor from top and bottom.
So from that point we organised some builders, cut a couple of holes into the bedroom ceiling to find how wet the insulation was and how much of it was wet.
We cut the jib patches out. It found that the jib was wet and so was the insulation. We removed the old insulation. It was replaced with new acoustic insulation. The new patches were then cut and placed in the holes, screwed up. We then taped and plastered the patches with a 3-coat plaster system, which will dry overnight.
At the same time, the drying was happening upstairs.
So once it was down to dry standard, we were able to relay the carpet and also put the underlay back in, give the carpet a clean, and now the home is back to pre-loss condition.